Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Audi Q7 vs Porsche Cayenne, which is better. Please subscribe and hit the bell to follow the full walkthrough. I'll explain how both cars drive, their cabin comfort, cargo practicalities, and technology differences. Expect clear notes on fuel efficiency, performance feel, and real ownership costs to help you decide. I'll also summarize who should choose which model based on real lifestyle needs. I'll walk you through how each SUV feels on city streets, highways, and backroads in simple terms. The Porsche leans toward sporty steering feedback and responsive chassis tuning for drivers who enjoy corners, while the Audi tunes suspension for a smoother long-distance ride. I'll compare available engines, braking feel, and transmission behavior, and explain which setup makes more sense depending on how you plan to use the vehicle. If you're finding this comparison helpful, please subscribe and like to support future videos. Quick recommendation: I keep a set of leak-proof containers on hand for busy days and trips, and they make packing lunch for drives a breeze. Check the description for the link and other deals that help us maintain honest reviews and walkthroughs. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Next, I'll describe cabin layout, passenger comfort, cargo utility, and tech usability so you know what to expect day to day. The Audi commonly favors space and simple ease of use for families, while the Porsche emphasizes a sporty, luxurious experience for the driver. I'll cover seat comfort, storage options, infotainment clarity, and how each SUV manages real-world tasks like school runs, road trips, and hauling gear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.